Hey everyone, I'm so excited to have you join me today for a special adventure at one of Europe's busiest and most fascinating airports, Paris Charles de Gaulle, or CDG as it's known to travelers around the world. Today, I'm taking you deep inside Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport, not just to show you the usual terminals and shops, but to reveal some of the airport's best-kept secrets and hidden treasures. Did you know CDG is the second busiest airport in Europe, handling over 70 million passengers a year? Yet, most travelers rush through, never realizing how much there is to discover beyond the main gates. But if you know where to look, you'll find some truly amazing spots tucked away from the crowds, places that even frequent flyers often miss. From tranquil rooftop gardens where you can relax and take in panoramic views of the runways, to cozy nap pods perfect for a quick rest between flights, and even an airport museum filled with fascinating art and history. CDG is full of surprises. Did you know the airport hosts rotating art exhibitions and even has a permanent collection of French masterpieces? It's like stepping into a mini Louvre before your flight. I'll be showing you 10 incredible spots that will completely change the way you see this airport. From secret lounges and wellness zones, to gourmet bakeries serving fresh croissants and even a hidden spa, these gems are designed to make your journey more enjoyable, relaxing, and memorable. Whether you're a frequent flyer, a first-time visitor, or just passing through on a layover, these hidden gems are sure to surprise you and elevate your travel experience. So, are you ready to experience CDG in a whole new way? Let's unlock its secrets together, uncover the stories behind these hidden gems, and make your next visit to Paris, Charles de Gaulle, truly unforgettable. Paris CDG is more than just a place to catch a flight. It's a sprawling hub where adventure and discovery await at every corner. Think of it as a mini-city packed with surprises, from gourmet eateries and designer shops to hidden art galleries and tranquil lounges. Slow down, and you'll uncover quiet corners perfect for relaxation, unexpected cultural exhibits, and even spaces designed for kids and families. Grab your boarding pass. We're about to explore 10 secret spots. From hidden gardens to exclusive lounges, that'll make your next layover at CDG truly unforgettable. Need a break from the airport rush? Tucked away above Terminal 2E, the secret rooftop garden is one of CDG's best-kept secrets. Just follow the discreet signs near Gate M and take the elevator up. Visitors are greeted by lush greenery, blooming flowers, and winding walking paths. There are plenty of benches, shaded pergolas, and even quiet corners for reading or meditation. The garden offers panoramic views of the runways, perfect for plane spotting, or you can simply unwind and watch the sunset over Paris. Sometimes you'll even find yoga sessions or small group picnics happening here. Unique features include informational signs about the local plants, free Wi-Fi, and charging stations for your devices. Next time you need a break, head up here for a breath of fresh air and a moment of calm before your next flight. Terminal 2E is filled with museum-quality art installations, transforming the airport into a vibrant gallery space that surprises travelers at every turn. You'll find sculptures by renowned French and international artists, ranging from sleek modern pieces to whimsical, thought-provoking works. Many of these installations are curated in partnership with Parisian museums, bringing a taste of the city's rich art scene right into the terminal. One standout is the giant cloud sculpture by Charles Pétion, floating above travelers and symbolizing the fleeting nature of travel and dreams. Its airy balloon-like forms invite you to pause and look up, offering a moment of wonder amid the bustle. The terminal also features interactive digital displays and rotating exhibits, so there's always something new to discover. These ever-changing collections showcase everything from contemporary photography to immersive light installations, making each visit unique. Take a moment to enjoy the art, learn about the artists, and snap a few photos before your flight. You might just find yourself inspired. Need a quiet escape? Tucked away in Terminal 2E, the Hidden Library Lounge is a true sanctuary for travelers seeking peace and comfort. The lounge features plush, comfy chairs and shelves lined with books in multiple languages, from French classics to international bestsellers. You'll also find a selection of magazines and newspapers to browse. The atmosphere is calm and inviting, with soft lighting and quiet corners perfect for reading, relaxing, or simply unwinding away from the crowds. To find it, look for signs near the gates in Terminal 2E, or ask airport staff for directions. Book lovers, don't miss this hidden gem. It's the perfect spot to recharge before your next flight. Tucked away near Terminal 2E, the free mini-museum at Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport is a hidden cultural treasure that many travelers overlook. The museum features rotating exhibits that celebrate French history, art, and culture. You might find rare aviation artifacts that highlight France's pioneering role in flight, or admire original works by renowned French artists like Monet, Rodin, or contemporary creators. Each display is carefully curated to give travelers a taste of France's rich artistic legacy right inside the airport. The best part? Entry is completely free and you don't need a ticket, just stroll in while waiting for your flight, whether you have a long layover or just a few minutes. The mini-museum offers a fascinating, enriching break from the usual airport routine. It's a quick cultural pit stop that makes any layover more interesting, and a unique way to experience a slice of French heritage without ever leaving the terminal. Feeling jet-lagged or just need a break from the crowds? CDG's Spa and Wellness Center is your oasis, offering a full menu of treatments. Think relaxing massages, rejuvenating facials, express manicures, and even foot reflexology. You'll also find saunas and steam rooms, perfect for melting away travel stress. The staff are highly trained professionals, ensuring a top-notch experience. Prices start around €30 for a 20-minute massage, with longer treatments and packages available if you have more time. The spa is conveniently located in Terminal 2E near the main shopping area. Just follow the signs for Wellness Center. Walk-ins are welcome, but booking ahead online or at the reception desk is recommended, especially during peak hours. Treat yourself to a mini vacation during your layover. Your body and mind will thank you. Craving authentic French pastries before your flight? Nestled in Terminal 2F, this gourmet bakery has been delighting travelers for years with its irresistible selection of classic French treats. From buttery croissants and flaky pain au chocolat to crusty baguettes, every item is baked fresh daily. You'll also find delicate macarons, fruit tarts, and rich eclairs, favorites among locals and visitors alike. Grab a coffee and a pastry for a true taste of Paris, or pick up a box of treats to enjoy on your flight or share with friends back home. With its rich history, mouth-watering menu, and warm Parisian atmosphere, this bakery is a must-visit for foodies and travelers alike. Don't miss it on your next trip through CDG. Need a power nap during your layover? CDG's secret nap pods in Terminal 2E are a game-changer. Each pod is private, soundproof, and comes with a comfy mattress, soft pillow, and cozy blanket. You can adjust the lighting and recline the seat for maximum comfort. Booking is easy. Just use the touchscreen kiosk nearby or scan the QR code on the pod. You can reserve by the hour, and payment is quick and secure. Each pod has charging ports for your devices, free Wi-Fi, and space for your carry-on. Tip: book ahead during peak travel times, as these pods are popular and fill up fast. Wake up totally refreshed and ready for your next flight. These nap pods are one of the smartest airport hacks out there. For some of the best runway views at Charles de Gaulle, make your way to the observation deck near Terminal 2F. From here, you can watch planes taxi, take off, and land up close, with sweeping vistas of multiple runways and the bustling airport activity below. The deck is especially magical during golden hour and sunset, when the sky lights up and the views become truly unforgettable. So try to visit in the late afternoon or early evening for the best experience. You'll also find helpful info panels about the planes and runways, coin-operated binoculars for a closer look, and plenty of seating to relax while you soak in the excitement of travel. Don't forget your camera. This spot is a hidden gem for aviation fans and casual travelers alike. Traveling with kids? The Adventure Zone in Terminal 2E is a vibrant play space designed for children of all ages. Here, little ones can crawl and explore soft play areas, while older kids climb on jungle gyms or challenge themselves with interactive video games and digital activities. There are dedicated zones for toddlers, young children, and pre-teens, so everyone finds something fun and age-appropriate. Parents can relax in nearby seating, recharge their devices, and keep an eye on their kids in a safe, enclosed environment. It's a lifesaver for families. Kids burn off energy, make new friends, and parents get a much-needed break. Make your layover fun and stress-free for everyone. Before we wrap up, let's dive deeper into my top 5 must-have products for surviving a long layover, and why they're absolute essentials for any traveler. First up, the Tartiel Travel Pillow. Unlike traditional neck pillows, the Tartiel's unique ergonomic design supports your neck and keeps your head upright, making it much easier to actually fall asleep in those uncomfortable airport chairs. It's lightweight, machine washable, and packs down small, so you can easily slip it into your carry-on. If you struggle to get quality rest on the go, this pillow is a game changer. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. Next, the Bose Quiet Comfort 45 noise-canceling headphones. Airports can be noisy and chaotic, but these headphones create a peaceful bubble, blocking out everything from loud announcements to crying babies. The battery lasts up to 24 hours, so you can binge movies, listen to music, or just enjoy some quiet time. Pro tip: download your favorite playlists or shows before your trip for uninterrupted entertainment. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. The Anker PowerCore 1000 portable charger is another must. Outlets are often hard to find, or already taken, but with this compact charger, you can recharge your phone, tablet, or headphones multiple times. It's small enough to fit in your pocket and charges devices quickly, so you'll never be caught with a dead battery during a long layover. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially in dry airport environments. The Hydro Flask 21 Oz reusable water bottle keeps your drinks cold for hours and is leak-proof, so you can toss it in your bag without worry. Most airports have water refill stations, so you can save money and reduce plastic waste. Remember to empty it before security and refill it after. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. And finally, a cozy travel blanket. Whether you're trying to nap or just want to stay warm in chilly airport lounges, a soft, compact blanket makes a huge difference. I recommend one that folds up small and is easy to wash. It's perfect for curling up with a book or movie, and can even double as a pillow in a pinch. Click the link on the screen to buy this item. With these essentials, you'll be comfortable, entertained, and ready for anything your layover throws at you. Whether it's a quick nap, a movie marathon, or just some much-needed downtime, trust me, these items are true game changers for any traveler. They help you stay organized, relaxed, and make your airport experience so much smoother and more enjoyable. So, pack smart, plan ahead, and you'll breeze through every layover with ease and comfort. Now, let's wrap up our CDG adventure and get ready for your next journey. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through the hidden gems of Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport. From tranquil indoor gardens and inspiring art installations, to cozy nap pods and vibrant family zones, we've uncovered some truly special spots that can transform your layover into a memorable experience. Whether you're a frequent flyer or visiting CDG for the first time, I hope these tips inspire you to explore beyond the usual terminals and discover something new. If you stumble upon another hidden gem, please share it in the comments below. Your discoveries help fellow travelers make the most of their time here. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel secrets and hidden gems around the world. Safe travels, and see you on the next adventure. Thank you so much for joining me on this special tour of Charles de Gaulle Airport's best-kept secrets. It's always a pleasure to share these hidden gems with fellow travelers who are as curious and adventurous as you are. Whether you're a frequent flyer or just passing through, there's always something new to discover at CDG. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, so keep exploring, keep discovering, and make every journey truly unforgettable. Take time to enjoy the little surprises along the way, from unique shops to cozy lounges and unexpected art installations. I hope you found some inspiration for your next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow travelers. Your support helps us uncover even more hidden gems around the world. And if you're hungry for more travel inspiration, be sure to check out our other videos, each one packed with unique finds, insider tips, and unforgettable experiences from airports and destinations all over the globe. We're always on the lookout for the next hidden gem, and we'd love for you to be part of the journey. Let us know in the comments which airport or city you want us to explore next, or share your own favorite discoveries. Until next time, may your travels be smooth, your layovers enjoyable, and your experiences at every airport full of wonder and delight. See you in the next video, where we'll uncover even more amazing places and travel tips. Safe travels, and remember, adventure is always just around the corner. Bon voyage, and see you at the next hidden gem.